We are currently at Po-i-Kalyan, which is a mosque still under rehabilitation. Entrance fees is 15,000 som. It's a religious place. You can't wear shorts or short sleeve t-shirts. I got to wear a skirt which was given by the ticket counter. You can return it when you go out. It looks empty because it's too hot, very few tourists. It's huge and beautiful. Bukhara is still kind of an original old city. A lot of it is under construction and renovation. This is the mosque area. Get your coffee shoes and go in. Those stairs are used by the imam and they sit there and conduct the prayer. This completely is under renovation. This is the Po-i-Kalyan, one of the central places in Bukhara. There is the trading market in front. The entrance fees to this 15,000. The gardens around are beautiful. I saw a lot of people just doing their morning routine exercises, jogging around. Even in this heat, this place is cool. Around 11:30. And now we are at Ismail Samani Mausoleum. It's an intricate architecture. The entrance fees is 15,000, though it's a small building. Just entering it and knowing about it, it was 15,000 soms. That's around $1.2. The architecture is interesting. One of the most intricate ones. Ooh. This is like 1,100 years old, and the dome has been restored, and so has been the grave. The original grave is underground, generally in all the cases, being this old and interesting architecture. You can enjoy the giant wheel and nice food shops nearby. They may be just at the Ismail Samani Mausoleum, and there is a park nearby, and this is a fun spot for adventure lovers. You can go around, have fun in this park with so many different rides. So it's a bit hot. It's around 11, but you can already have fun. There is a giant wheel and other fun rides. It is the low season, that's why I think there are not a lot of people around, and also it's quite sunny in the afternoon, maybe in the evening. We are at the Mir-i-Arab Mausoleum, and structure in the front is beautiful looking building. It's called the Memorial Complex, and there is the central market. We are entering the central market of Bukhara.
Вот, попробуй.
Cute. This is. I got free stuffy test.
1 кило,
Oh
да?
no.
Вот так.
I just go around. Sorry, thank you. Still doing. I got just a few pistachio to taste, and people say, oh, the tomatoes here look nice. Wow, the vegetables here are great. These are all the kind of breads that are available, which you can buy and sell. A lot of different kinds of breads, and these are the most famous, and they are called naan. This is samsa, also filled with meat generally, and the shops. And we have cookies. It's like so many cookie shops around here. It's so interesting. They're freshly baked mostly and taste amazing. Should I try something? This is called a trading dome. Just markets inside. A small passageway. This is another trading dome right there, and in front we have a mosque. This is kind of the central plaza. We are at the Abdul Aziz Madrasah. It's a beautiful architecture, something similar like Samarkand, blue tiles and great artwork. This is one of the last ones I'll visit on this trip in Bukhara, the Chor Minar, or the four minars, which are different heights. It's a cute looking building and area. This is kind of the main street in Bukhara, and the place in front is called the Liab House, where you can come by in the evening and chill. They have restaurants and a nice lake in the center with a lot of old buildings around. Bukhara is an old and a small city, and so it's walkable from everywhere, like around cafes. This is a bouncy region for kids, old mausoleums and mosques, and a nice lake at the center with overlooking restaurants and bars. It's a nice place to spend your evening, have dinner and rest. It's a pretty place to eat and spend your evening. This is what it's called, Levy House. is good food and drinks if you like, and you can chill by the lake. This is the Traders Market, Traders Stone, Toki Tarafsan. People are really friendly. This is how the streets look like at night. Shops and cafes. The buildings look prettier when they're lighted up. This is the central plaza we were at in the afternoon, and this is the trading dome. This is the same place again. We were in the afternoon, the Po-i-Kalyan and the buildings nearby, but at night, lighted up, it looks far more pretty. Look at the architecture, looks amazing with the lights. Around the Arc of Bukhara with many activities: horse riding, camel riding, and small cars for the kids. Right in front of the Arc is the Bukhara Tower. Right after the Bukhara Tower, we have the beautiful Jama Mosque. It is pretty with the fountains and the water leaking in front. This mosque has interesting architecture because the front is held by these wooden pillars. They are ages old, and you can even see the ceiling being distorted at some places because these wooden pillars are taking the weight for so long. Inside is the mosque, but generally people who wear shorts or smaller clothes are not allowed to enter. People are playing inside, and it's amazing architecture. A lot of open spaces and parks where people can chill, especially in the evening when it's less hot. It's right in front of Arc of Bukhara.